Alright, let's get into Google Drive and show you how to create and share a file or a folder. So once you get into Google Drive, what I want you to do is I want you to create a new folder, and I want you to call that something that helps you remember that this is IED or Intro to Engineering. So you can either do IED and then maybe 20-21 or something like that, or Intro to Engineering, something that will help you remember. I already created one earlier. It's right here. Next thing I want you to do is I just want you to recognize how you're going to share that file. So once it pops up, you're going to go to the three dots, you're going to go to share, and then you can add people to this folder, and so that's a shared folder. You can also make a folder inside of this one, so I can make a new folder, and this could be titled like group red or something like that. That'll make a little bit more sense when we talk about groups a little bit later. But if you create that folder and then share just that folder with your other group members, then that'll work. So that's how you share.